Lightning struck WX. Now, let me go to... It's Klaus Hans or Hans Klaus that suggested I stop doing the umbrella. Although I have been considering it anyway. Well, we'll let it ride at that. I've done 2 permutations of the name, so I know one or the other is correct. I can't think what I'd be looking for down here. What are we looking for, WX? Nothing? Hell, I don't know, buddy. We're just running around being gold. Fuel reserves low, yeah. Yeah. Sanity's low too, buddy. Well, we can explore over here while he's still gold. Speaking of, now this is a big graveyard that might have more gears in it. And he's still gold, and there's a dart. 1 dart's not going to change our world, though.
Might as well aggravate Tallbirds while we're gold. Just trying to map them. And he said as he wound up with 500 Tallbirds in his ass at nighttime without any food. May die here. Or not. Well, there's that Tallbird nest. Oh, that was kind of fun. Oops. Do all that and then wind up getting jacked over by that one. Oh, I thought I had a fire here. Huh. Warning fire level low. Yeah, okay. Well, we don't have it for that yet, WX. We have the fire for whatever the hell we have the fire for. Yeah, we should pick that up and wind up with it in the chest. Now, what's down here? The gnome doesn't have to go up yet. The gems won't do us any good without a science machine. We're about at the end of the gears. I think that'll do us. Have I got... Oh, I guess I am collecting seeds. Okay, what's in you, Chester? Now, oh, we still don't have our... Damn it. Wait.
Yeah, we do have our spider egg. And we've explored this area. So... Huh. Not much in the way of spiders. I got so used to Wicker... And I am going back to Wickerbottom. Don't ever doubt that. I still think she's the future of the game. Damn, we're short on spiders. We may have to cultivate spiders. Son of a gun. She was in that default. She is in that default plus. There's another beehive. We need a bunch more beehives. I think 6 works pretty good. I think you can get a full stack. And there's a pig house there that's doing us no good. And it'd be worth putting some pig houses by the McTusk until I can put bunny houses by them. I've given up on beefalo. Okay, so what do we want to do here? I think we can blow that off, but I think I'm moving too fast for my buddy. So, now you can take all that grave trash and turn it in for gold with the Pig King, but now what? Didn't I get those other pine cones? Oh, that's 33. Ugh. I spend too much time looking at the damn computer is the problem. That and my vision's changing again. when you get old, your vision actually nearsighted. The kind of nearsightedness I wear glasses. You've never seen them because the TV's set up to where I don't need them. As I started getting older, your nearsightedness caused in my kind is caused by the lens of the eye not being curved quite right. As you get older, that gets stiffer. It stiffens up, and the refraction, diffraction, whatever, changes. And so you become more farsighted. And luckily, my nearsightedness is the kind that my vision improved with age. So, but it's changing again. There for a while it was pretty stable, and it's changing again. Alright, I have no idea why I want a 1% spear. So that's part of the reason these little tiny numbers on these things, I have trouble seeing them now. But anyway, the TV's set up so it's just the right distance. Damn, I don't know if we want to... Oh, and how did you wind up in there?
Okay. Now, I don't think the top hat's in here. Nope. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, I know. I should have done that already. There you go. So, WX and a top hat. Now, do I have my hammer? That's why I brought it down here, was to smash this. Now, everybody bugs me to smash the one in my camp, but the reason is it's a visual aid to what can be made where. Shoot, what can we do?
Fear not, pig allies. I am not here to inspect your houses today. I don't know, it might almost be better for me to farm that. Come on, Chester. We should be doing lure plant checks. I have so much flooring and stuff in that kind of got out of the habit. I want to take a swing up through that blank map spot. It'd be so great if there was a cave there. I didn't think so. Ah, well.
Okay, I think I will plant sticks. I think I'll do what I call chores with Wilson. I will grab sticks and grass. It's only 12 days till winter. Grab sticks and grass, and I don't know if I want to do drying racks or not. I need more charcoal. Trying to think where I came a cropper on the crock pots. Oh, I didn't have enough charcoal. So... And I need to go plant pine cones. Actually, WX's world is coming. Wickerbottom got slowed down because it was that default plus, so I had spiders out the proverbial kazoo. And also, I couldn't find a place I wanted a base at. She's got an incredibly placed base now, but it wasn't looking good at first. So I'll be back if anything interesting happens in the performance of my my gadgety duties. I can't think of a good name for them. I do believe somebody suggested gadget. I'll be glad when I'm no longer married to a trap on its side means it failed to trap anything. You glad when I'm no longer married to dancing traps. Yeah, okay. Farms, hopefully. Okay, basic farm, no. Alchemy for improved farm. Ute. Thinking about running crockpots this way. So I'm kind of thinking about improved farms out here. And our first little seed. Oh shoot, and he ate it. You gotta quit doing that, WX. Give us all a bad reputation. Let's start calling you Wilson, buddy. You take and we make another farm. Now there's no particular pressure for these or anything. But eventually it makes life, I don't know, I kind of like Wilson's setup. I'm not mad about it at all. So what am I short on? Grass, yeah. It's a grass eater when you start doing that. But that's cool. That's his, it's more than we had. And that's, I made another crock pot so I'd have an idea of the distance. I need to make a bird trap so we can do the bird in the cage. So if I do get a dragon fruit, we can start processing seeds. Oh no, rain. I don't necessarily want Gadget to go fast. Let's see. Damn it. What was I doing? Oh, I was doing, shoot, do we have any silk? I think that was it, was 2. Son of a beast. Now 6, that might be enough. Oh shoot, I left monster meat in here. Hi, Piewacket. What's up, baby? Piewacket's wound up tighter than Okay, what I want is the... Alright, I've got to stop here. I'm sorry. Hi, Wigglesworth. What's up? What are you all wound up about, baby? You look like your tail's on fire. Is your tail on fire? What's after you? Are the raccoons in the house? Okay, shoot, bird trap. Do I have seeds still on me? No. It won't get it done tonight, but it'll be ready in the morning. I may not have enough gold. I may have to make a run down to Gold Land and pick up more gold. Oh shit! So it hit me and Chester.
Oh shit! So it hit me and Chester.
Well, that's not good. Oh, and I'm throwing off light because I got hit. Oh my gosh. Well, that was glad I had fraps on. Sorry about that, buddy. Guess we better stay away from Chester. He'll be pissed. Um, Getting a crackling noise. I think it's from the rain. Oh God! I electrocuted Chester. Did a God? What was it? Rufus to him. Did a Rufus to Chester. Oh, come on, game. Oh, where are you? Oh, crud. He lost his light. Sorry, Chester. Gold, buddy, and then I'll get away from you. There's our birdie, but we need... Alright, I'm going to make a stone run. And these things drive me nuts. So we'll just put... Ooh, more gold. So maybe we don't need that. It's a seed, seed and gold, and I don't know what else. I don't know what machine it's in. So, I think it's a construct. Might be food now. They might have moved that to food. Oh, shoot. I don't know if we even found a swamp. Holy credoli. We never found a swamp. Wow. My God, I hope there's a swamp in this world. It could be in the center here, but I don't, and it could be past there, but I don't know. Doesn't feel like it, does it? And it certainly could be up here. There could be more world, a lot more world up there. I'm sure all that's, I would imagine all that's stone. And I think, well, I didn't cook, I don't know, I bet that's forest. So, boy, this is a no, wow, I didn't even think about that. Gracious. Okay, we're after the swamp. Well, that's kind of fun. I'll take a quest any day. But we need to do things with food. Alright, the hat's, I think 60%, but we're awful close. So we got a dragon fruit, so we definitely need that cage. I might blow off the dancing traps until we get this task done. Oops. I just happen to think football helmet's a good idea. Now I'm real sure the football helmet's not over here. Yep, alchemy machine. Rope and a piggy bat. Very handy for the swamp. It means you can, what do I want to say? You can carry a backpack. Okay, and have armor. There's our hat. And where's our food? So we're in search of a swamp that I didn't even realize I didn't have. And Chester's holding the gears. We should take those for healing.
And we're ready to fly. Come on, Chester. What I'm thinking is maybe this way. Boy, it looks like it ends, but nah, it doesn't. Okay. So up and over. Oh, shoot. Off the WSAD pad. How to get killed in combat. Where's my mini-map? Come on, Chester. You ought to be able to keep up. I don't have a walking stick. A walking cane, I guess. I don't hear you, Chester. Oh, there's my beefaloes. Hey, FIFA blows. My little tiny herd. So, we're looking for swamp. We need papyrus. Chester. Ooh, there's a mandrake. Huh. Kind of torn. And another one. Thing is, if you leave them in the ground, unless you're around turkeys, nothing's going to happen to them. If you pick them, something could smash or kill or whatever, and you could wind up with them getting eaten. I don't know if they burn or not. Oh, I've got gracious. Wouldn't that be a bummer after all this time in this world? What, 42 days if it didn't have a swamp? Now, the worlds I've been in almost constantly have had just in huge swamps. So I don't know what the deal is here. 2084 and 178. He's really moving up the old food chain, isn't he? Don't wear out on me now, Chester. I just like to show you that trick with the turkeys. Assuming it still works. Oh, shoot, my bucket. Should have brought a shovel. Oh well, what's one of my games without 50 shovels in it? So no swamp here. My gracious. I was kind of joking about it. I don't know if I went through that wormhole. I wonder if it's a wormhole thing. God, where else can it be? Oh, I didn't go. I didn't go all the way there, and I didn't go all the way there. Son of a gun. Well, I don't think it's there. I think we're talking about there, and I should have gone through the wormhole. So where are we in relation to that? And about 6 of one and half a dozen of the other.